Good evening to one and all present here, respected sir and all students. My name is Aditi Nigam and today in this science seminar I am here to present my topic pure substance and mixture. So firstly, what is matter? Everything in this world which have mass and which occupy space is called matter. It is divided into two, pure substance and mixture. Firstly, what is pure substance? A substance made up of only one types of atom or molecule is called pure substance. Purity is the measurement for how substance is pure. It has its definite structure and properties. It is also divided into two, elements and compound. Firstly, what is element? A substance which cannot be broken down into simple substance by chemical means is called elements. There are some examples of elements like iron, oxygen, nitrogen, etc. Now, what is compound? A substance made up of different types of element compound in fixed ratio is called compound. It has its definite molecular formula, boiling point and melting point. Some examples of compound are salt. Now, what is mixture? When different types of substance combine together physically in any ratio is called mixture. We can separate the constituent particles of mixture through different physical methods. For example, we can separate salt from water through the process of sedimentation or decantation. We can also separate sugar from water through the process of distillation. A mixture shows the property of its constituent particles. It is divided into two, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Firstly, what is homogeneous mixture? The word homo means same. A mixture which have uniform composition throughout its mass is called homogeneous mixture. In homogeneous mixture, no separation boundary is visible. We cannot see the constituent particles of homogeneous mixture through our naked eyes. Some examples of homogeneous mixture are steel, rainwater, air, etc. Now, what is heterogeneous mixture? A mixture which have non-uniform composition throughout its mass is called heterogeneous mixture. In heterogeneous mixture, a separation boundary is visible. We can see the constituent particles of heterogeneous mixture through our naked eyes. Some examples of heterogeneous mixture are soil and blood. Thank you. This is all from my side.
Pure substance के examples.
Examples of pure substance: iron, salt, oxygen, nitrogen. These all are examples of pure substance. Any other questions?
What is the example of homogeneous?
Examples of homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture: steel, air, or wine. These are the examples of homogeneous mixture.
Nice.